A large steel wheel is to be fitted on a shaft of the same material. At 27 degrees centigrade, the outer diameter of the shaft is 8.7 centimeters and the diameter of the central hole in the wheel is 8.69 centimeters. The shaft is cooled using dry ice, that is solid carbon dioxide. At what temperature of the shaft does the wheel slip on the shaft? Assume the coefficient of linear expansion is 1.20 into 10 to the power minus 5 per Kelvin. The diameter of the shaft is 8.7 centimeters. The diameter of the central hole is 8.69 and the coefficient is 1.20 into 10 to the power minus 5. The wheel will slip when the diameter of the steel shaft becomes equal to the diameter of the central hole. Therefore, let this happen at the temperature T. Therefore, D2 is equals to D1 into 1 plus alpha and the change in temperature. So D2 is 8.69, D1 is 8.7 and alpha as we know is 1.2 into 10 to the power minus 5 into T minus 27. Therefore, the temperature would come as minus 68.79 degrees centigrade when the shaft will go into the hollow center.